SO is going to be in surveillance mode. It looks like airship's tracking a 10851 vehicle. They're going to be northbound 110, north of the 91. It's going to be a black Chevrolet pickup. And 28 returns 10851 out of Lakewood Sheriff.
50 copy. We'll be on.
50 copies en route. It's going to be northbound 110 approaching El Segundo now.
Opportunity in traffic.
Yeah. I copy. You have your helicopter standing by here. Or do you have ground units that are going to get involved?
I'm going to find out things right now. I'm requesting you to check.
Robert, do we have visual trying to catch up now at Vernon?
Over the full relinquish the pursuit to your air support.
And 35 confirm to you to North Hudson. And Robert, I copy. You have visual trying to catch up.
I see them going on senior, northbound 110, they're through Vernon, and I believe you have 2 units going behind the truck now.
And 35 copy, northbound 110 through Vernon, visual of 2 units, wait 97 with that check now.
Robert, 3 vehicle lit up, exiting MLK.
I copy, vehicle lit up, exiting MLK. Ayun na tama.
Star 120, secondary, going to be west on King.
Sorry, I want to connect with your secretary. Airship, can you call it, sir?
Robert, can we have permission to pay if we need to permit?
That's unit 10-9.
Your airship's taking over this, your units are now behind the car.
Yes, negative. We got 110 and 110. Can you call it, sir?
Hey, you got Air 21 on the black vehicle is going to be southbound. Traffic is light. 60 miles an hour.
And 10 fire copy. South on 110 through Vernon, 60 miles per hour.
Southbound Fig, east through 46th Street. Number 1 lane, light traffic is doing about 55.
Southbound Fig through 46, light traffic, 55.
Clear. Good.
Southbound Fig through 52nd Street. Pulling down here, number 1 lane, very light traffic, speeds are about 55.
Clear.
I copy. Southbound Fig about 252nd, number 1, light traffic, 55.
Clear.
Southbound Fig approaching Slauson, number 1 lane, light traffic, and is slowing down to about 30 miles an hour.
Clear.
I copy. Southbound Fig through Slauson, 30 miles per hour, number 1, light traffic.
Clear.
Southbound Fig approaching Gage, number 1 lane, light traffic, set up to about 55.
I copy. Light. Southbound Fig approaching Gage, number 1, light traffic.
Southbound Fig is through 66th Street. Light traffic is in the number 1 lane, doing about 65.
I copy. Southbound Fig Road, 66, light traffic, number 1 at 65.
Southbound Fig is approaching Florence, and making a westbound turn on Florence.
I copy. Southbound Fig Road, approaching Florence, westbound turn on Florence.
Do we have a supervisor in this?
That's a negative. S10 with the station.
Clear.
Yeah, that's getting knocked up.
Just an S10 getting off that one now. And S10 for your primary.
50 Robert 3, we're going to be primary.
Secondary, ID cover.
Clear.
I'm Florence, it's from Budlong. I'm approaching Raymond now, actually, number 1 lane, light traffic, 65, 70.
I copy. Westbound Florence, approaching Raymond, speed at 75.
Hey, 62, we're going to be overhead. We'll go ahead and take the call. Westbound Florence coming up to Western.
Alright, copy. 62, I'm picking overhead. It's westbound Florence approaching Western. Thank you for your help. You can send it.
Alright, we're coming up to Western about 25 miles an hour. Got red light, and he says broadside. We got his teeth. Robert 3 TC. We'll go start rolling 1140.
Westbound on the north sidewalk. Westbound on the north sidewalk. We got the whole units pursuing here. Stand by.
Is that it? Is that it?
Yeah.
Is the truck clear?
Truck's clear. That's it?
That's it?
Okay.
Yeah, in front of the building. Okay. I'll get to the address.
Hi, copy. We'll try to get it.
Robert 3, driver in custody, code 4. Hey, you just stand right here for now. I gotta stretch you quick, man. All right, before I put you in my car. Cool? Walk back, walk back, walk back.
Please, Western and Forest. Party's going to be landing.
Hi, copy.
Do me a favor, just cross the street for now, please. Thank you.
Yeah, we will speed on you.
Check the car.
You should just a copy, balance.